Slap Tech.
So, you've got yourself a new ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Gen 10 and you want to upgrade the storage. Well, here's a guide to show you how to do it. First, let's gather our tools. We'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably with a bit that fills the entire groove and doesn't have any play, a gentle prying tool, an external NVMe SSD enclosure, a bigger storage drive, that's a given, and finally, the free utility Disk Genius. I'll have links to all this good stuff in the description below. The first step is cloning the original drive. We don't want to lose any of that valuable gaming progress, which is why most people buy ThinkPads, am I right? Anyway, plug in the enclosure with the drive in it, then in Disk Genius go to Tools and Clone Disk. Double-click the top disk with the blue on it as the source disk, then Yes to migrate system data. Now click the leftover gray disk as the target disk. The next dialog box has a very important slider that you want to move all the way to the right, otherwise you'll create another drive letter that's empty. Then click Start, OK, and then Hot Migration. The process begins after that and will take at least an hour and a half depending on the size of the new drive. Once that's finished, verify that the data on the new drive looks good. If everything checks out, reboot the laptop and rapidly smash enter as though every press will remove a redaction on the Epstein files. When this menu pops up, press F1 to enter the setup utility. In here, go to Config, disable the built-in battery, then click Yes. The system will power off, and we can unplug the enclosure. Unscrew the 4 Phillips head screws on the bottom cover. They're captive, so they shouldn't come out. Use the prying tool starting around the hinges to gently ease the cover off. Unscrew the heatsink cover and lift it off the SSD. Remove and replace the SSD, then replace the heatsink. Put the bottom cover back on and plug in the laptop so it can turn on. And now, walla walla, there's more space to put stuff. This has been an SSD upgrade tutorial for the ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Gen 10 here on Slap Tech. If you enjoyed the tutorial or if it helped you out a little, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for a playing games with this laptop video since now I have enough space for all my games. Thanks for watching and you guys, have a good night.